Okay, I'm going to give you some brief comments about homework. One of the things that we do every single day in my class is I have them get out their agendas. And even though things are listed for them on Padlet, not Padlet, on Canvas, as you can see, um, on my screen, I also have them fill this out. So I'll have them turn to the page in here, and they will fill out their homework and list it here as well. So they have that reminder for them. Now, the cool thing about Canvas is it gives them a to-do list. So as they complete things here, they can, X them off if it allows them to do on their to-do list. Once it's done, they can close those things down and no longer will be on their to-do list. But that shows them what homework they have. So um, for it's important that homework is done on time. We do have a late policy, so if something begins to be 1 day late, it begins to receive a decrease in grades. And so that'll be important to have things in on time. There will be typically daily homework, something to do most of the time. And some of them will have extended periods of time to work on those items, but there usually is some homework, and that will be, you can have them check their agendas. You can have them show their agendas to you, so you can see what they're doing. You can go on a Canvas and look at what things are on their to-do list. Again, you can check their grades, and then you can see if there's anything missing in the grades, because then something's wrong there. So, and then this is the book that we'll be working mostly out of for language arts. And it's called My Perspectives. They have a digital copy of this as well. And I'll show you what that kind of looks like. But so this is their copy that they can write in. And some assignments will be, they'll do in here. And then other assignments they'll do and they'll complete online so they can turn it into me. But if I was to go to to the website, and they can get to the digital version of their books by going here to this link and then signing in, and they'll see a different version of this than what you're going to see initially when this opens up. But they go to here, and then they can go from here to the digital version of their books. So um, from here they can go to their book, and they can see a digital copy of the same book that they have in their at their home. So that way they can do things digitally as well. So they have full access to the same material right here. So the very first unit that we're going to be starting on is called A Starry Night, and it's opening up here. So it's catching up. So this is unit 1. We're not starting with unit 1. I've taught them how to find this, and we're going to start with unit 2, which is this one here called A Starry Night. They're supposed to have shared a letter with you about this, and this is our whole class learning, and we're going to be starting with this story right here. And so here again, they have digital access to this story, and they can play this. So if they play this, they can listen to the story, and they can revisit the story here. Now that same story is in this book as well. So they'll be asked to do some things in the book as far as their annotations are concerned and other things. But some stuff they'll do online, some stuff they'll turn in via Canvas. So hopefully that answers some of your questions, and feel free to email me, contact me, and or have a virtual meeting, and we can discuss any of that further.